How to report the Grabfood issue. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to report the Grabfood issue. First, open up your Grab application on your phone. Next, tap on Use this location at the bottom. After that, you'll be taken to this page. Next, go to your profile and scroll down. Then tap on the Help Center option here. Within the Help Center, you will find different categories of services provided by Grab. Then, go to the chat box. Here, describe the issue you're facing in as much detail as possible. This includes the order number, the date and time of the issue, and screenshots if you have any. Once you've filled out the necessary information, submit your report. Further, if you're unable to find a helpful solution in the app's Help Center, you can also contact Grab's customer support team directly through email or phone. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.